You can now make online payments to Jaffna Divisional Secretariat via GovPay.
ජාතික ජනබලවේගයට පරිගැනීමේ අවශ්‍යතාවයක් නැහැ.
The NPP has no intention of taking revenge. What's happening now is simply the enforcement of the law. The same opposition that didn't come together when people were dying and the economy was collapsing has suddenly united following the arrest of Ranil Wickremesinghe. Why is that? Did they come together for the sake of the people or to protect their own interest? It's clear they are only concerned with resolving their own issues because they know they could eventually face the same fate.
ඉතින් ඒ කට්ටිය දන්නවා රනිල් දැම්ම වගේ අපි දායිද කියලා.
ඒගොල්ලෝ කියනවා නීතිය කාටත් එකයි කියලා.
They claim that the law applies equally to everyone. But how can that be true? When the Mount Lavinia magistrate questioned why a minister and another individual had not been arrested, the police responded that the matter had been referred to the Attorney General. Normally, when a judge issues an arrest order, the individual is arrested and produced before the court. But in this instance, instead of following the procedure, it was redirected to the Attorney General. Is this why the NPP was handed power? We are starting to see the emergence of a police state.
පොලිස් රාජ්‍යයක් එමින් පවතින බව පේනවා.
දැන් බලන්න වසන්ත සමරසිංහ මහතාට විරුද්ධව සහ
There are allegations against Minister Vasantha Samarasinghe and a mayor. There's a case pending before the Mount Lavinia court. According to media reports, the police have acted contrary to the judge's ruling. Is this acceptable?
අධ්‍ය ගණනාවක වාර්තා කරලා තිබෙනවා. ඒතර ඒව හරියද?
පොදු දේපල පනත යටතේ
Normally, when someone is arrested under charges related to the Public Property Act, bail is not granted until the case concludes. But Ranil Wickremesinghe was granted bail. They said bail can be granted under special circumstances. In his case, he is reportedly suffering from several illnesses which likely influenced the decision. We too have been arrested before, but we never pretended to be ill just to secure bail. Ironically, I believe the greatest damage done to him was by his own lawyers during the bail process.
එතුමට බරපතලම හානි කරේ මං හිතන්නේ අප ගන්න ගිහිල්ලා එතුමගේ නීතිඥයෝ
අර්ජුන මහේන්ද්‍රන් ගෙනවකෝ දවස් දෙකක් ඇතුළත.
The NPP promised to bring Arjun Mahendran back in 2 days, but he is still not here. No action has been taken on the bond scam either. They also claim there were over 400 files related to corruption cases, yet nothing has come of that. This growing public frustration has sparked major protests. It appears the 2-day remand of Ranil Wickremesinghe was merely a show to appease the public.
රනිල් වික්‍රමසිංහ රිමාන්ඩ් කිරීම දවස් දෙකක ජනතාවට පෙන්නපු සංදර්ශනයක් කියලා.
අපි දැක්ක සමහර විපක්ෂය කියනවා
I have noticed some people saying that if former President Ranil was arrested for a large-scale fraud, that would have been acceptable, implying that crimes like the bond scam or the Easter Sunday attack are somehow more valid grounds for arrest than a minor fraud. But fraud is fraud. It doesn't matter whether it's big or small, it's still a crime.
හොරකම ලොකුද පොඩිද කියලා නෑ හොරකම නම් හොරකම